Man must understand that if you want to be governors of Lagos State, which is not bad, you can be governor of Lagos State, join APC, follow the rank.
That is not going to happen. that is not going to happen.
It's a hypothetical case for
that's not even.
It's a hypothetical.
That hypothetical thing is not good. No, so we have to do something in Yorubaland. Let's normalize using other regions as examples.
Yes.
Right. Let's say, for instance, an Igbo man can be a governor of Sokoto State. Think about how that sounds like. What does it sound like?
It's not possible.
Or you say, or we say a TV man being the governor of Anambra State. Like, let's normalize using other regions but Yorubaland. So the way it sounds, if it's not possible, how come it's only in your land that you can have experiment of detribalization, which, by the way, is a word I don't believe in.
The reason.
So let's normalize using other regions too. Yes.
Why I said
let's see how it feels too.
Professor Bosui, Dr. Bosui.
The
reason I said
yes,
that was because our forefathers. In fact, one of the great issue with our mistake of Awolowo, which Tinubu got right, by the way, is dancing around this issue. You see,
around which issue? No, that was not the mistake of Awo.
No. I said one of the. I didn't mention it. I said one of the mistake of Awo that made it difficult for him to rule Nigeria was in the trajectory of what you are saying now. By nature,
no, it's not.
I didn't mention.
They're different trajectories.
Right from the of Ajayi Crowther, Yoruba has been mentoring the South. That's why you see the influx to Lagos through religion. You know, the religion started from the South through Bishop Ajayi Crowther and other religious.
That's not why they flock to Lagos. Sorry, I've been listening all this while, but when you get to historical things that are sounding off, I'm going to have to speak up. That's not the reason they came to Lagos. They moved to Lagos because of colonial administration. Is it true, like you said, that that people from the West have mentored people in the Southeast on Christianity? Absolutely true. You're very correct. Is that the reason they moved to Yorubaland? That's not why. They moved to Yoruba. I mean, let me give you an example. Bishop Ajayi Crowther moved to Onitsha in 1857. Right? The first set of Igbos got to Yorubaland in the 1920s.
But no political relevance.
No, it's not about political relevance. It's to tell you that Bishop Ajayi Crowther's ministration or missionary work there has nothing to do with what happened over 70 years later. The first set of Igbos that ever got to Yoruba land, like Yoruba, it was in the just about 100 years ago. But Bishop Ajayi Crowther got to Onitsha in the 1850s. So it's not Ajayi Crowther. That's what. Then secondly, Awolowo never had anything to do with the tribalization. So let me the journey of Awo, right? Awo was a nationalist.
Yes.
Right? Just like every other person. And so when they were I'm going somewhere. When they were all in NYM, they were all nationalists until they saw the hand that Zeke was playing in 1941. From 1941, everybody knew that this nationalism thing, it'd be like saying that only with the carry on for head.
Yeah.
So you have Yoruba people. One second, please. You have Yoruba people who were doing that. You had people like Enes Ikoli, who was Ijo. But the main people in the South were Yorubas and Igbos. The Igbos were not doing that, and you see it in the reports that Zeke started in 1938. By 41, everybody already understood that, listen, this is going to be tribal. Yeah. So the only thing that you can say Awo did that Tinubu corrected was partnership with the northern establishment.
Yes,
that's the only thing.
That's what I'm saying now.
But that's different. It's different from an Igbo person becoming your governor. That's not. It's different.
That's separate. I said, made me thinking that handshake across the Niger River, Niger Bridge to the east, will fuel his presidential ambition, and he keeps stretching out to them. But when the election comes down, you see
but that's a different argument now. So you went from somebody being the governor of your state. That's a very different argument. Yes, we need cohesion. So you went from somebody should be the governor of Lagos. I said no. Let's try it in another place. Let's have like a TV man. So no. You said it's not possible. You said it's not possible.
It's one thing to want.
We had a conversation. No. See.
Okay.
It's not about one thing. It's about the fact that you said it was impossible to have an Igbo person be the governor of Sokoto, right?
I know. Yes.
You said so. You said it would be impossible for a TV man to be the governor of Anambra State.
Yes.
So why is it that it is in Yorubaland that we have all these experiments of let's have somebody come and rule Lagos, or let's have somebody come to one of these states just to come so that we can show that we are detribalized? How come the experiments only seem to become practicable in Yorubaland? Why?
Because of our heritage.
What's our heritage, please?
One of our weakness is our weakness is our strength, our civility, our structured environment. I was hearing somebody talking.
Max, Lagos is Yoruba.
Our history.
I think you had a very good run. I think you had a very good run.
Yeah.
And I think you are going off just a little bit. So maybe you should stop so that we can celebrate the good thing you said. Because I'll tell you that when you said eat down off your pound, let's make something very clear. We've had people, 1952 election, we had not one Igbo man, we had about a number of them who actually won seats, and they came to, no, not Lagos House. That's the thing. It wasn't Lagos House. It was Ibadan.
Okay, it's Western House.
They were representing, it was Western House, but they were representing areas in present-day Lagos State.
Yes.
But the point I'm trying to say is this. Zik won his seat in 1951. He was in Ibadan. If anybody should be telling anybody about somebody becoming something somewhere, let's try it every other place. We've been trying this since 51. As a matter of fact, we had it in the 40s as well in Lagos. By the 50s, it was in Ibadan. Ibadan was
happening now.
And even till today, there are people in local governments in different places who are not Yoruba. Why is it that now? Is this the only place that is called Nigeria?
Okay.